So that, like, I had done it a couple times where I like drew up an entire piece and then like put it out there and got, like 50 emails for this one drawing. And it's like, I got to pick one person out of 50 people to give this to, and so I tried to do it on like a first come first serve thing, which is also difficult sometimes because like the first person might be like, yeah, but they want it like this big and you're like, no, it's a leg sleeve. Like, and then the second person's like, yeah, I'm down. Like, what is it, like $1,000? And you're like, no, it's a leg sleeve.
Yeah, I didn't even think about, I didn't even think about that. So have you found, have you found a solution to that problem?
Yeah. So to solve both of those problems, where the issue where I'm drawing, I'm spending all this time on something, don't draw it. Like if you have a thumbnail, because like you were doodling in a sketchbook, great. But like leave it as a thumbnail. You don't have to show anybody that. Like the best thing that has worked for me is to just have a list. And it's just a description of what I want to do. And it's like semi-specific because I pick very specific characters. Like if I go to Greek mythology, I'm like, I want to do Melano. She's the goddess of ghosts. Look it up. Like you do the research, but like I want to do her, or I want to do Poseidon. It's like you have to be specific, because if you just go, I want to do flowers, that could mean any flower. And when you say, I want to do more floral stuff, then you get people that are like, cool, how about carnations? And you're like, I fucking hate carnations. So like being specific, have a list, limit it, like only have like 20 things that you want to do, because are you going to be able to take on 20 projects like right away? Probably not. And let's assume that like only 75% of those ideas are like resonate with somebody. And then from there, it's like, I might get like 4 or 5 people for this one, and like 3 or 4 people for this one, and 2 people for this one, and 1 person for this one, and then instead of having to go through like 20 people for one idea, I just have to go to the first of the 4 people that are like really into that idea.